What's up out there? Welcome to another episode, Easy on Raw TV. Today, I'm going to be talking about satiety. What does it mean to be satiated? What does it mean to be nutritionally satisfied? And what does the law of satiety teach us? Well, after 3 years, I've been following more and more of these laws called the natural laws, such as law of equilibrium, law of homeostasis, and much more. And as I abide more and more with these laws and work in accordance with them as well, I'm finding that my health gets better and better, and it becomes only easier to maintain a good level of health where I don't get sick, I don't have to see a doctor, and I can pretty much reside on myself. What I want in life really is a clean bill of health. So one thing that's helped me is to learning all about health, learning all about what we are as human beings, right? As a species, what we're meant to be eating, right? When I was eating things like meat and cooked foods and just whatever standard food, I always felt flat. I always felt flat. I always had low energy. And just things like that. So, eating a low carb diet is not ideal. So, you want to be getting most of your calories from carbohydrate, whether it's, fruits, which are the optimal food, or things like potatoes. Now, the raw food is a lot different than cooked food, okay? Rice, grains are not really health promoting, right? They don't contain what we need. They do contain carbohydrate, but they don't contain water content or nutrients, right? They have the fiber, but they're missing, those essential, those important counterparts, right, of a food. That's what a food should be to me. Food should be hydrating, right? Our colons, our bodies need water, purified water, right? The roots of the tree purify the water that's held in the fruit, within the fruit. And that's what I want. I want that purified water, right? It's almost as good as spring water, if not better, right? So that's what I aim for. I aim to eat optimally. And food should be just that, nourishing, giving me nutrients, fiber, and water, calories, right? So back to satiety. The law of satiety teaches us that no animal besides humans really count their calories, right? They don't really count their calories. We can use that as a tool, but it's not something you have to do, right? We have an innate intelligence, just like birds or bears or horses or any other animals that know how much to eat, right? Their bodies tell them. Their bodies say, give me food when we're hungry and air to breathe when we need to breathe, water when we're thirsty. So, you don't really have to count your calories on a raw food diet, but you want to make sure that you're getting good quality organic foods. Fruits are ideal. You want to make sure that you're eating till you're totally satisfied. And that means eating enough to where I don't want anymore, where I look at the food and it just doesn't look appealing anymore. So that's important. That's satiation. Um, there were times when I didn't need to eat as much. My body was going through a lot, trying to heal, regenerate, recover from whatever it may be, right? Whatever your body's going through, it's going to tell you how much it needs, how much it only needs, or how much it really needs. So, depending on your activity, you're going to have to eat Y amount of calories. So, yeah, you want to make sure you're getting quality and follow quantum eating. I think that's awesome to incorporate within this natural lifestyle as well. Sunning and mooning. Check out that video. I'll have to post the link for you below. All right, y'all. Well, glad to be able to do another episode today. I'm feeling a bit better. I believe that I'm on the turnaround here with the pears that I got from Thailand. So I'm hanging in there, and I'll see you next time. Much love. Peace.